Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of festive decorations with what we believe is the best pink Halloween balloon garland available in the market. If you're looking to add some spooktacular charm to your next Halloween party, stay tuned. Let's start by unpacking what makes this Halloween balloon arch kit stand out. Designed with a vibrant mix of pink, black, white, and silver balloons, this kit is not just for Halloween. It's versatile enough for any celebration, from birthdays to baby showers. The color palette alone promises to elevate any space into a festive haven. Included in the kit are everything you need to create a stunning balloon garland, including a Halloween-themed banner, boo balloons, and even 3D bat stickers, adding that extra eerie touch. Now, let's talk assembly. One of the standout features of this kit is its ease of setup. Even if you're not a DIY expert, fear not. Clear instructions are provided, making it accessible for everyone. Simply inflate the balloons, arrange them as per the guide, and voila! You have yourself a professional-looking balloon garland that's sure to impress your guests. Quality-wise, these balloons are durable and made from high-quality materials, ensuring they stay inflated throughout your event. No one wants droopy balloons halfway through the party, right? Beyond Halloween, the versatility of this kit shines through. Imagine using it for a baby shower, where the soft pink tones blend beautifully with celebratory themes. Or, for a birthday bash, pair it with other decorations to create a custom look that matches any party theme. Whether hung above a dessert table or used as a backdrop for photos, the possibilities are endless with this balloon garland kit. Now, let's talk value for money. Priced competitively, this kit offers exceptional bang for your buck. Considering everything it includes and the quality of the materials, it's a budget-friendly way to elevate your party decor without breaking the bank. In conclusion, if you're in search of the perfect pink Halloween balloon garland that's not only easy to set up, but also versatile enough for various occasions, look no further than this kit. With its vibrant colors, durable materials, and value-packed contents, it's a surefire way to make your next celebration memorable. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and decorating tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy decorating.